today's episode, we're gonna
organize the refrigerator
and clean our fridge. Come on, let's join us. So it's been a while since we cleaned our fridge. So it's kind of messy right now. We'll show you the before.
and this is on my teddy and this my Lego.
Okay, you gonna join us, clean the fridge and organize? Okay. A little bit messy. Okay, so first, what are we gonna do is we're gonna take out all the items.
Yeah.
Okay. And we're gonna check the expiration as well. And we're gonna throw them out if it's not good to use anymore. Okay, let's start.
I want to show them my medicine behind
Oh,
you.
okay, sure.
That's my red medicine.
Okay, so wanna help me? Take out the things inside the fridge so we can clean the fridge.
It's just a little bit cold, Mom.
That's okay. Yeah, let's start.
Mommy, can we take out the chocolate now? It's empty.
Oh, then we can throw that out. Okay, we remove everything from the fridge. So now we're gonna clean them with just soap and water. That's it. So it's good to remove all the drawers so you can clean the inside better. So you can reach even the farthest part of the fridge and wipe them off. Okay, so it's time to organize. We're gonna be using these clear containers that we bought at Dollarama. I have a slim one and a bigger one. Sure. We have this small one for cheese, the sliced cheese, right? Okay, let's do it. So we're done cleaning and organizing our fridge. You want to see the after? It's so organized now. It's so easy for them to look what they're looking for, to get their drinks and their snacks, and we remove all the expired food. Yes, and we did some food prepping. So the watermelon is now on the container. Thank you, Braylon, for helping Mommy cleaning up the fridge and organizing. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the organizing video, please hit like and comment down below if you have any other ideas on how to organize the fridge. And please don't forget to hit the bell button so you're always notified if we have a new videos. Bye!